Only 3 countries made it out alive from the U.S. tariff deadline. UK, China, and Vietnam signed trade deals. Europe, still negotiating on the edge of a new trade war. Let's break it all down. Simple, clear, and juicy. 1. UK deal. Brexit's big win. The UK struck a big one, the US-UK Economic Prosperity Deal to expand trade after Brexit. First 100,000 UK cars get 10% tariff. Any more than that, 25%. Car parts, 10%. US opens the market to UK beef, ethanol. Some aircraft products are tariff-free. Steel and aluminum are quota-based, 25% if exceeded. Plus, IP, labor, environment, and government procurement rules included. Pretty smart move from the UK. 2. China deal. Who thought this would happen? US slashed tariffs from 143% to 55%. China keeps tariffs at 10%. Both suspend retaliatory tariffs 34% for 90 days. China promises rare earth and magnet exports, a joint panel to talk IP, agri, finance, and currency. But yeah, US still blocks advanced AI chips like NVIDIA. So yeah, it's peace, but not trust. 3. Vietnam deal, supply chain. Vietnam's winning too. The US wants to shift factories out of China, and Vietnam fits the bill. Tariffs dropped to 20%, was 46%. But Chinese goods pretending to be Vietnamese? 40% penalty. U.S. exports like LNG, big cars, and crops get exempted. Strict origin tracking rules. The U.S. is also trying to cut its $122 billion trade deficit with Vietnam. A classic friend of my enemy move. And the Europe? Still hanging. Base tariff 10% for most EU goods. Cars, steel, and aluminum, 25%. U.S. threatens 50% if talks fail. EU already prepping $95 billion counter-tariff plan. Germany's lobbying hard. Wants cars built in the U.S. to return to Europe with low tax. This could blow up or settle at the last minute. So here's the scoreboard. UK, China, Vietnam, sign and safe. EU, still in limbo. Trump's strategy? Raise tariffs hard. Push for deals later. The question now is, will Europe cave in, or are we heading for Trade War 2.0?